Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at this new color combination from Solido for the Toyota Supra Mk4, the Targa version. This is the Streetfighter edition and comes with this color combination of orange with black hood. Also, being a Targa model, the roof on this one is removable, but on first glance I have to say that the color difference between the body and the roof is pretty significant. You can see, I don't know if the camera picks, but in real life there's a big difference, and when it's on the car it doesn't look that great. Let me put it this side. Of course, this is a metallic model that features opening doors, removable roof, and also functional steering. Let's start in the front. The headlights look pretty good. The build quality seems very nice. We have the Toyota logo there. Also we have the license plate with the Streetfighter and a Japanese number. Next, on the side we have the wheels, which again look pretty good. I really like them with the silver and black center. As I mentioned, no roof on this one. In the back we have the stop lights. We have the Toyota and Supra written there, as well as the Toyota logo and this massive wing, and also the exhaust. Underneath the model, not many details, only the exhaust stands out. Let's open the door to see the interior. I have to say, the interior looks quite nice, especially with those racing seat belts in green, but sadly they are painted, they are not textile, as you can see. Let's open the driver door as well. The dashboard looks pretty good, a lot of details. I think Solido really does a good job with these models. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this model? Do you like it in this color combination or the gray that came out first a couple of months ago? Or you like the normal coupe versions? I think there were a few. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.